Assuming a typical single-family home installation, the gas pre-pressure in the vessel must be adjusted to the static height of the heating system. Before commissioning, check the pre-pressure and adjust if necessary. The formula is static height plus 0.2 bar. In our case, that's 7 meters plus 0.2 bar equals 0.9 bar. The check is done with the vessel unpressurized on the water side, using a standard tire pressure gauge. If the pressure is too high, release air via the valve. Once correctly adjusted, the system can be filled. The shut-off valve on the maintenance unit must be open. The filling pressure follows the rule of thumb, pre-pressure plus 0.3 bar. So, 0.9 plus 0.3 equals 1.2 bar. Fill the system until this pressure is shown on the manometer. All values are recorded on the supplied sticker, clearly attached to the vessel. The safety expansion vessel is now ready for operation. SpiroTech, maximizing performance for you.